Number 16. Keep simple. It means to make something easy to understand or not complicated.
It's best to keep things simple during a crisis. It's best to keep things simple during a crisis. I try to keep my presentations simple and clear. I try to keep my presentations simple and clear. Keep the instructions simple so everyone can follow. Keep the instructions simple so everyone can follow.
Number 17. Sleep rough. It means to sleep outdoors, typically without proper accommodations, often due to homelessness.
Many homeless people have no choice but to sleep rough. Many homeless people have no choice but to sleep rough. He slept rough while hiking through the mountains. He slept rough while hiking through the mountains. Sleeping rough can be dangerous in cold weather. Sleeping rough can be dangerous in cold weather.
Number 18. Look small. It means to appear less significant or less important.
From here, even big problems look small. From here, even big problems look small. She felt she looked small next to her talented colleagues. She felt she looked small next to her talented colleagues. The mountains make everything else look small. The mountains make everything else look small.
Number 19. Make a small fortune. It means to earn a considerable amount of money, but not necessarily a vast wealth.
He made a small fortune in the tech boom. He made a small fortune in the tech boom. Many people make a small fortune through smart investing. Many people make a small fortune through smart investing. She made a small fortune selling handmade jewelry. She made a small fortune selling handmade jewelry.
Number 20. Smell danger. It means to sense trouble or a threatening situation.
Animals can often smell danger before humans do. Animals can often smell danger before humans do. He smelled danger when he noticed the door was open. He smelled danger when he noticed the door was open. It's important to smell danger and act accordingly in business. It's important to smell danger and act accordingly in business.